Okay, so y'all, I got the chicken and rice. I'm about to put the chicken and rice in the pot. Got the chicken and rice. Got the chicken and rice. Go ahead and just dump it in. I already got the sauce. Okay, we dumped all of it. So now we just gonna mix it now. Mix. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of butter. We love this butter. Mix. We're gonna mix that nice. We're gonna keep it cute. Keep it cute. It came to a boil. We're gonna let it sit and cook. It's boiling. We're gonna cut the eye on low. Okay. So we cut on low. So y'all, we got 2 bottles of water. We just go pour the bottles of water in the pot. This 1 bottle. Bags of frozen cut green beans. Gonna just put both of the bags in there. Okay. We got some chicken bouillon. Go put it in the green beans. Not a lot. It'll take you a long way. Okay. That right here. Okay, so y'all, we got some black pepper. Some black pepper. Just season it. Okay, so we got some natural seasoning. Go through it in the green beans. Just a little. Okay, so now we got the acid. Go put the acid in. Just put it in top. Okay. So now we're gonna put a little butter. It'll take you a long way. Okay, so now we're just gonna serve it. Take it first. On yours. Gonna go back to the rice. Check on the rice. Ooh, the rice is almost ready. Serve that rice. Yep. Let's go. Oh, mommy. Okay, so now we about to do the look. Okay. Gonna grab this and stick it to the pan. Stop touching it. Stop touching it. I can't wait, mommy. Okay, so y'all see we got the bread spread it. we're gonna put some parkway, whatever of that it. Okay, come on. Okay. So now we're gonna put the roses back in the oven.